Ever wondered how you can master the art of intraday trading? Well, the secret lies in understanding market dynamics, mastering risk management, honing technical analysis, and disciplined execution. To help you navigate this journey, we've compiled 10 key steps that you can follow. The first step is dive deep into financial markets, including stock exchanges, commodities, and forex. Make it a habit to study market news, economic indicators, and company fundamentals regularly. The second step is define your trading objectives, whether it's generating consistent income, building long-term wealth, or achieving financial independence. The third step is determine the type of trader you want to be, such as a day trader, swing trader, or position trader. Each style has its own advantages and requires different strategies. The fourth step is create a detailed plan that outlines your trading strategy, risk tolerance, entry and exit criteria, and money management rules. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive decisions. The fifth step is, before risking real money, use a demo account to practice your trading strategies and familiarize yourself with the trading platform. This will help you gain confidence and refine your skills. The sixth step is select a reputable broker that offers competitive spreads, reliable execution, and a user-friendly trading platform. Research different brokers and compare their features and fees. The seventh step is implement risk management techniques such as setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, and never risking more than a certain percentage of your trading capital on a single trade. The eighth step is learn how to analyze price charts, identify trends, and use technical indicators to make informed trading decisions. Technical analysis can help you spot potential entry and exit points. The ninth step is record your trades, including the reasons behind each trade, the entry and exit points, and the outcome. Reviewing your journal will help you identify patterns, strengths, and weaknesses in your trading strategy. The 10th step is stay updated with market trends, attend webinars and seminars, read books and articles, and learn from experienced traders. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to adapt to changing market conditions. Remember, mastering the art of intraday trading takes time, practice, and discipline. By following these 10 steps and staying committed to your trading journey, you can increase your chances of becoming a successful intraday trader. Secondly, define your trading objectives, establish your risk tolerance, and determine your preferred trading style. Your plan should include entry and exit strategies, position sizing, and risk management rules. Remember, consistency is key. Thirdly, familiarize yourself with, learn how to interpret price charts, identify patterns and trends, and understand support and resistance levels. Use technical indicators such as moving averages, relative strength index, and MACD to inform your trading decisions. Fourth, focus on capital preservation is crucial in trading. Determine the maximum amount of capital you're willing to risk on each trade and set stop-loss orders accordingly. Never risk more than a small fraction of your trading capital on any single trade. Fifth, stick to your trading plan, avoid emotional decision-making, and remain focused on your predetermined trading strategy. Don't chase losses or deviate from your plan due to fear or greed. The sixth step is regularly review your trading performance to identify strengths and weaknesses. Keep a trading journal to track your trades, analyze past decisions, and identify areas for improvement. Seventh, use trading platforms and tools that offer advanced charting capabilities, real-time market data, and automated trading features. Technology can streamline your trading process and help you execute trades efficiently. Eighth, trade with. Never use funds earmarked for essential expenses or long-term investments for intraday trading. Diversify your investment portfolio to mitigate overall risk. Ninth, trading can be an emotional roller coaster. Keep your emotions in check by maintaining a rational mindset and avoiding impulsive decisions. And finally, experienced traders and trading courses can provide valuable insights. Surround yourself with a supportive community of traders who can provide feedback. Remember, mastering intraday trading is a journey of continuous learning and practice. By following these steps and refining your skills, you can aim for consistent profitability in the financial markets. So gear up and take the first step towards your trading journey today.